Alright guys, welcome back. This is episode 2 of the Blue Couch. I'm Dustin, and this is my co-host Michael, aka Yellow Coat Guy.
No yellow coat today.
So,
not today.
Let's dive right into it. We've got a list.
Get the list.
Let me get the list here. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. So
just show them so they can see it too.
So there's 12 of us that are going to do it, and there's 24 spots. So what we're going to do is, me, Dustin's going to be 1 and 13. So basically,
notice he thinks he's the star.
Yeah, I'm the star. I mean, we all know it. Come on. And so yeah, should we just do it, or should I like go through?
Well, if they can see it, they're gonna know. But
okay.
we can post that in the comments.
Yeah, Mountain Man Joe's 12 through 24. Oh, let's go over the list. Let's go over of what you guys come up with. Let me grab it here.
All right.
Michael, just sit there and look good in front of the camera.
He takes too long to do anything.
Okay. You guys come up with some awesome ones. I will say, I thought we could come up with more than 10, but thank you for the 10. Thank you for the 10.
Oh, he's out.
He's out. All right, so here's what we got.
Read the first one?
Yeah, go for it.
First one is the zip line off the rotator while people are throwing stuff at us.
I love that.
So we'll see how that one goes.
Okay.
Next one. Let's see. Oh, we're going to lift someone up on the rotator and leave them there. We're going to leave them up in the air. They don't know how long we're going to leave them there. We don't know. We might come back tomorrow.
This one, I don't know if we're going to be able to get them to do it, but wash a truck in a women's bathing suit.
Ugh, better be a one piece. That's all I'm saying.
It's going to be tough. But this one is give someone. Oh, this is the one I really hope we get. Give someone a wedgie with the rotator.
Give someone a wedgie with the rotator.
So literally, hook over and winch. It's going to be amazing. Eat a jar of baby food.
Eat the jar of baby food.
There's a couple there.
Read another one.
Eat a package of Oreos in under 5 minutes.
Yeah, that might be all right.
Yeah.
Do a job dressed as Batman and Robin.
That's awesome. Eat. Oh, this is the one we just were watching this. Eat a can of surströmming.
Oh, that nasty fish.
We watched the video.
Ooh.
It looks and it appears to smell horrible, and I hope we do not get that.
That is bad. I don't want that one.
Look it up on YouTube. It's disgusting.
This one is work all day in a hot dog costume.
And this one is all day in a T-Rex costume.
Now the T-Rex would be cool.
Okay.
Got little arms.
Dude, I'm so excited. Let's just get into it.
All right, we're gonna spin this bad boy.
Oh, I'm so excited.
We're starting out on number 1.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay.
Ready?
Give it a good one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. 5.
Who's 5?
Jason, the one that said,
yeah, he said bring it.
Yeah, Jason got it. I can't wait to tell him.
He said bring it.
Okay.
Now he's got to pick one of these out of like a bag.
Yeah, out of like a hat. All right, we'll use my hard hat.
Yeah, we'll use the hard hat. We'll get him in there.
Sweet.
And he's got to draw one out of there. So
we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we got Jason coming. He thinks that we're sending him on a tow. I said, hey, I got a tow for you, and he's coming out back here. So
we'll see how he likes it.
We'll see how he likes it. We're going to surprise him with the news. So we'll be here in a second.
We're going to cut to him now.
Through here.
Awesome.
He's going to be so...
Hey, he's the one that said it.
He said, bring it, I know.
Man.
There's him.
Woo! There's the man.
Hey, Jason, how's it going?
Come on in. Oh, boy. What?
So
guess who won the wheel spin?
How do I know I won the wheel spin?
Oh, it's legit. We have it on video. Look how red he's getting. Remember, you said, come on, guys, bring it.
Bring it.
Bring it. Bring it.
So when does this have to take place?
Well, we're gonna draw from the thing.
So we put all their suggestions in a bag, or
well, it's in my hard hat.
Hard hat.
It's already in there, so we're gonna walk over it and you're gonna pull it.
You're gonna have to pull it,
and then whenever it works out, we'll do the thing.
Not today, though.
Well, who knows? We'll see.
Depends what it is.
Depends on what it is. I can go buy a pack full of Oreos right now, or whatever he ends up getting.
Let's go see.
Okay, all right, let's go see.
Let's go see. We're gonna head over there now.
There's a hard hat. Can't look. Just reach your hand. There has the so you have to go around.
You gotta get past the suspension.
And just grab one.
Oh, there it is. Let's see.
Please be the wedgie. Please be the wedgie.
Oh, what?
What is it?
No.
What is it?
No, we can't. No.
Is it the
Eat a package of Oreos in under 5 minutes.
All right, he got it. Eat a package of Oreos in under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes.
That's what he
We're
drew.
gonna go bag.
The Oreo
You're
thins.
dying.
No, we're getting regular Oreos.
What are the chances?
Hey,
I can't fly on
the
the
plane then.
Yeah, he'll be too bad.
We'll run you around the block when you're done.
Hey, I really wanted you to get a wedgie.
There
by
it
the
is,
rotator.
everybody.
Oh, really?
There's one in there where we were going to give a super wedgie with the rotator hook, put on your underwear, and winch.
All right,
But Oreos it
we're
is.
gonna get his
We're
Oreos.
gonna go get his Oreos. Oreo thins. The thin ones. They're easy to eat faster.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
We want you to win.
You gotta do it, man.
Just tell us when you're ready, and he'll start the
Do
timer.
it. You can do it. Come on. Get psyched. Get psyched. Get psyched.
I'm scared of the water here. Let's go.
Oh my god. Wait, what are you doing? He's okay. He's just gonna hit it there. Okay. Start the timer. Ready? Yeah. Ready. Go.
Oh man, what's he got? Like 6.5 seconds per to eat?
That's the water thing is so gross. Oh, why?
Dude, he's going to town.
He is.
You're gonna drink some. Oh man.
Oh, he's drinking
Here we
the
go.
water.
What color is this water gonna be by the time we're done?
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh man.
Okay, that was 30 seconds. You're doing good, Jason. I like the focus. I like the focus. The no quit attitude right here. No quit. No quit.
Oh,
What was that? I couldn't understand you. Okay, don't laugh. All right.
he's got it.
He's got
no
it.
problem.
Oh, this is nothing.
You got it. Pace yourself. Remember, it's a marathon. 5-minute marathon.
Also, remember, you asked for this. You said bring it. I mean, it's kind of on you, really. Oh, 2 at a time.
Holy cow.
He just went for the 2 at once. He's been pretty darn good, actually. Look, that's a quarter
I
of the
know,
way.
this is crazy.
It's not bad. Remember, you have milk here.
Mm-hmm.
Milk is gonna wash that down a little bit.
Oh man.
2 at a time again. There's the milk.
There, he's finally getting the good stuff.
Yep. There you go. See, wasn't that nice? Milk is good.
Milk's your friend.
Okay, sorry. Don't laugh.
This is good host, bad host.
Good thing you
I'm the
didn't-
good host at Brian on. He's trying to mess you up.
I know, right? Good thing he hasn't had lunch yet.
That's making me hungry though.
Not with the soggy water Oreos. You're doing good. You're doing really good.
Plenty of time.
Oh yeah, plenty of time.
Plenty of time. You still got just over 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, you're fine. And you're he's halfway. He's almost halfway. He can do this. Yeah, you can do it, man. You can do it. You got this. Isn't the milk okay? Okay.
I like this. I'm soaking or dipping there, soaking here.
Yeah, it's you got to get it down, right? It's a
Yeah,
science.
you guys.
got to get it down.
You guys
It's an
thought you'd
art,
get
really.
it.
It's an
I
art.
don't know.
You got this, dude. You're doing so good. Oh, you can do this. You can totally do this.
Thomas Page Kenny, please. Thomas Page Kenny.
Doing good. You still have a good pace here. You're okay. Should we get a puke bucket ready?
Nah, he's got it.
No, you got this.
He's got it. There's no
Nice.
way he will not win.
Oh yeah, he's got this. Come on! Oh, he's slowing down. Okay, he says no. He's not slowing down. I like it. Okay.
I'm glad this wasn't me. That's
Oh,
all I'm
man.
saying. Glad it wasn't me.
So glad my name wasn't. Oh. Doing good.
Guys, keep posting stuff for us to do. We have an intern that we need to get on this wheel.
I want to give him a wedgie with the rotator. You all right? Okay. He's good, dude. I think he's good. I think he's good. He's not saying much. He's real quiet, but
Let's focus.
it's the eyes.
That
Like,
is
the
pure
eyes tell
focus.
all. That is focus, man.
That water's not working like I thought it would.
The water's not working.
Oh man.
Oh, he's splitting them now. He's letting them soak in the milk. Dude, you're gonna do this. You have well over a minute, and you don't have that many left. You can do this. You can do it. Come on. You all right?
Technically 36, right?
39, I think, is in a package. But if you do 36, because some packages maybe have 36.
Yeah, we looked it up. Some are 36, some are 39, some were like 43.
This one was the 39. This was 39 family size. Family size. You got this. Come on. Hey, Mike, come join in on this.
See what you're missing out on? This is what he got.
Ooh!
This is what you almost had to do, Mike.
Me?
No, not really.
No.
Dude, you're doing it. Come on, you got this.
Come on.
You have 20 seconds.
Oh, dude.
Start jamming them in. You have 20 seconds. Jam. Go.
You
Get
can
it.
do it.
Come on, put them in. You have 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Jam. Come on, slow down. Put
10,
them in.
9,
Come on.
8,
Come on. Come on.
7,
5.
6,
Go. Go.
5, 4,
Oh,
3,
2, 1.
Damn! How many are left over?
Dude, how do you feel?
Oh, good. Good job.
You did good, man.
Dude, that's 30 that you knocked out.
You did 30 in 5 minutes. That's awesome.
Yeah!
Good job, dude. Way
You
to
didn't
go.
even make that big
Tell-
of a mess.
Tell the camera how you're feeling right now. Do you feel like a champion?
Like a champion.
Oh, man, Steve. That's awesome. You did 30.
Did you do the dome?
Yeah. That's awesome. Perfect.
All right, guys. You said you wanted to see him eat a package in 5 minutes. He almost got it
did
done.
pretty darn
This is
good.
like a champion. 39 in there. He downed 30 of them. So we got to hand it to
There
him.
you go.
The Oreos were good. Notice we did get him the mint.
We got him to man.
We like the mint.
Okay.
So we need more.
We need more.
Make sure you like, subscribe.
We
Tell us
have-
what you want people to do.
We have a lot of fun things planned. Like, honestly, you're going to want to watch because we have a lot of really cool things planned. We're not going to give anything away,
Yeah.
but trust me,
It's gonna be awesome.
It's really cool. So
I'll give you one hint. Has to do with air.
there you go. I like it. All right, thanks for watching,
I'm
guys.
taking a cookie.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. God bless.